Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an expense transaction on the LiquidBudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LiquidBudget application on your device, and once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to add an expense transaction, tap on the transactions option at the bottom right corner, and now you will be taken into the Add Transaction menu. Now, within the amount section, make sure that outflow is selected, which means expenses. You can then enter the amount of expense within the given box. Make sure to check alongside the amount option to ensure the input. Then you can choose your date from the details section and also choose the account that you want to set the expense to. You can also choose the payee from the Pay tab, and you also have the option to choose a category that the expense happened in. Once you choose the category, it will be placed within this section. You can add any personal note if you wish. And now if the transaction has already cleared, tap on the cleared option, and now you can tap on Add Transaction to add this expense to your transaction. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an expense transaction onto the LiquidBudget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.